Hello everyone, let us see a demo of Flow Orchestrator now. Like we have seen in the blog, this is the Flow Orchestrator that I have created on Opportunity Object. We have got a criteria when this Flow Orchestrator is going to work. So this is a record triggered Flow Orchestrator which is getting executed on Opportunity whenever the record is getting updated, and we have got a criteria also. That is, if the stage value is value proposition, that is when the Flow Orchestrator is going to get executed. If the condition is getting satisfied, we have got a submit for approval action happening here, where the record will be getting submitted for approval. And once this is submitted for approval, we have got a decision box here. So this is checking the amount value on the opportunity, and if the amount value is less than 10k, the opportunity is going to auto reject based on the criteria, and if the amount value is greater than the threshold mentioned, then it is going to take this default outcome path, and we have got two steps under that particular stage. So the stage name is find opportunity duplicates. Under that you can see two steps. Both are interactive step, but if you go to the auto reject action, you can see this is a background step where the auto rejection is happening as a background action. The user no need to perform any interactive step here, that's why this is a background step. But once it is going to this default outcome path, we have got two interactive steps. The first one is find out duplicate opportunities, and based on the actual opportunity approval process, this will be assigned to a sales manager user, and second step will be assigned to my own user. In this particular interactive step, where we are going to display all the duplicate opportunities that under that account, which is going to have the same products as the current opportunity. So user can either approve or reject that opportunity based on the displayed duplicate records. Once the current user is approving the opportunity, it will be moving to the next step, where the user will be shown the current discount amount on that opportunity, and based on the displayed amount, the user can either update that value or keep the same value and approve the opportunity. Now let us create a new opportunity and see how this Flow Orchestrator is going to work. This is an existing opportunity, and you can see work guide is where the active Flow Orchestrator actions for that current user will be displayed. Now let us create a new opportunity and see how this Flow Orchestrator is working. I am just going to populate the required fields. Test demo Flow Orchestrator, and giving the account name as a default value. Amount, I am keeping it as empty because the amount value will be getting populated from the product directly, and stage name selecting as prospecting, and also we need discount percentage, so currently I am populating is at 10. Let us save this now. So the criteria for submit for approval is not yet satisfied, so if you go to the approval history related record, you can see it is empty. Now let us add a product to this opportunity. Selecting the first product itself and keeping the quantity as 1. We can see that the amount value got updated and it is greater than the threshold value. So when we are submitting this for approval, it should not get rejected. To satisfy the criteria for submission, I am updating the opportunity stage as value proposition, and this should be submitted for approval based upon our Flow Orchestrator criteria. You can see this is submitted for approval and is assigned to sales manager user, and if you go to the work guide, there are no actions assigned to me. This is because currently it is assigned to sales manager user. In another window, I have logged in as sales manager user, and let me open the same opportunity. You can see that I have logged in as sales manager already, and if you go to work guide, now you can see all the duplicate opportunities under that account will be displayed here, and the user is getting an option to either approve or reject this. So let me approve this. and you can see under the work gate now it is showing us complete. And if you go to opportunity approval history related list, you can see it got approved by the sales manager, and as a next step it is assigned to my own user. So let me go to my own login, refresh the screen to see if under work gate I have got any action assigned to me. Yes, you can see the update discount action is assigned to me, and the current discount percentage I can see here, and I am getting 3 additional actions now. I can either confirm this same amount and approve this, or I can update and approve, or I can reject. So I'm choosing update and approve and clicking on next, and I'm getting option to update the discount value. I'm updating it as 12 and clicking on next, and at the back end now the flow orchestrator will be approving this opportunity, and you can see the approved message on the screen. And if I go back to the opportunity approval history related list, I can see this opportunity got approved now. Now you can see this is how a flow orchestrator will be able to automate complex business process where we need interaction from multiple users, and you will be able to sequence the actions also. I would like to show you one more default scenario where the opportunity is getting auto rejected. For that I am cloning this opportunity and removing the amount value so that it is below the threshold, and let me update the name. Stage, let me update it back to prospecting and save this. Under the work guide, now you can see there are no active actions assigned. Let me update it as value proposition and mark the stage as value proposition. Opportunity got saved now, and if you go to the opportunity approval history related record, you can see this got submitted for approval and got auto rejected because the amount value is empty. So this is definitely below the threshold. Hope this demo was helpful for you to understand what is the advantage of Flow Orchestrator. Thank you for watching.